Welcome to a new session with me, Monica. Today it is a little bit windy on the North Shore. Just brush off your feet if you're on the sand, get yourself ready. I'm going to watch the sunrise as we practice our yoga, putting our hips forward, tucking them in, leaning back, and coming down to your feet. Sing hello to your feet. Thank your feet for bringing yourself to the front of the mat. For practicing, you're just taking time to be with yourself. And lift up to the knees and back down, and again up to the knees and back down. Just stretching out the spine, stretching out the legs. You can move your legs forward and back, your knees, you can pedal them out. This time as you come up slowly, come on up on your tippy toes, sucking your belly in for added support, lifting up all the way and back down, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then you're going to bring your left foot back. You're going to gently just pulsate here, bringing the knee down and shifting your weight back and forward, back and forward. Then lifting the back, lengthening the leg back, lifting yourself up, and rotating to the camera to see me, and then out to the ocean, and lift again up, rotate, and switch out, coming down to a plank, chaturanga, and a small up dog, just to say hello to your spine. You can wiggle side to side, tucking your toes, and down to the down dog. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can pedal your feet, lifting the right leg up, bringing it through the knees, meeting the next one back, and shift over to the left side, to the right side, to center, and all the way up, very gently, up through the toes, hold, and coming down, switching legs, taking the right back, just pulsating for a few seconds, bringing the knee down and shifting the weight back and forward, back and forward. Good job. Now if you remember what we did here, we're going to extend the back leg, lifting ourselves up, and we're going to rotate to the ocean and back to the camera and switch. Good. And coming down to your plank, chaturanga, and small up dog. And again, just twist. Looking left to right. Into the down dog. Pedaling your feet. And as you're in this pose, just think about an intention you'd like to set for today. What is it that you'd like to do more of? Maybe less of? Or simply set your intention to be more present in your body as we are practicing. Lifting the left leg up, bringing it to the top of the mat, bringing the opposite leg back, and again twist to the left, to the right. Slowly come on up through the tippy toes, sending your energy upward, saying hello to the sun. The sun is coming up just over the horizon. And now we twist. Left and right, left and right. You can bring yourself to this side of your mat so that way you're facing me. You can extend your legs out and come on down. You're going to twist over to the left. You're going to take your right hand, grab the left ankle, and spinal twist. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Gently unwind back to center. You can allow your elbows, lock your elbows, and just sway left to right, left to right. You're going to do the same side on the opposite. Taking the left hand, grabbing the ankle, and twisting. Maybe you can see that this one side is more flexible than the other. One is more open than the other. And then come back to center. Grab the elbows and sway side to side. See how long you can hold this posture, keeping your belly in, keeping your core engaged, and allow the top of the body to just sink downward. Allowing the flow go down. Then reach back to the back of the mat. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Then slowly, gently rotate yourself to your plank, coming down, lifting up to a higher cobra. Up dog, as we call it. And look over to your right shoulder, your left shoulder, down and up to the sky. Tucking your toes to the plank and then to the down dog. Taking a moment to see how your legs feel. Notice how your body feels. Once again, we are sending the energy down from our upper body to our head. You can maybe start to feel the rush in the legs too, in the back quads. Just waking up the body. And coming up to the front, you're going to twist over to the left and then to the right. Slowly, gently come on up through the tippy toes. Lift, 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 lift. And again, breathe, hold. Beautiful. Coming down, halfway lift. And again, we're gonna just twist and twist. And then you're gonna just twist your way back again so that you're facing me. And this time what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our legs slightly wide, like shoulder width, bringing our hands to the center, keeping the core tight, and we're just gonna come on down to a Malasana pose. So we're gonna take the elbows to the outer inside of the knees, pressing them in so that way we feel a stretch in the inner thighs. You can maybe do a little shake here, just feeling out how tight we are. And if you're not tight, I am very jealous of you. Just breathe into the spaces where you feel the most tightness, where you feel the most tension. We're going to do a small spinal twist on each side. If this is too much, just stay here, or simply go back into a child's pose, or wherever you feel most comfortable. So we're going to take the right hand and grab it and wind it to touch the other hand. Twisting out here, looking through the left shoulder. Coming back to center, just very gently, very slowly, and twist. Two more seconds. Back to center, very good. Hold again, and slowly come on up. And swim again, bring the legs just a little bit closer. We're gonna let the upper body drop and sway side to side. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And just rotate yourself to center, to your plank. Hold. Coming down. Lifting up. Taking that breath. Look up. Down dog. And this time you're going to take your knees wide into a child's pose. Resting here. Noticing how your body feels now. You can bring your attention back to surface. Has it changed? Is it still the same? And ask yourself, how do I feel now? How do my hands feel? How do my feet feel? How does my spine feel? My hips, my face, my complexion. Rest here as long as you need, as this is your final pose. Imagine yourself, you're here with me on this cliff end overlooking the ocean, hearing the waves roar. There's a slightly cool breeze. And peace all around. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, release the belly. Inhale and exhale. And slowly coming out of the pose. Coming into a sitting posture. Bring hands up over the head. Sway over to the right and to the left. Bring your hands to center. And thanking yourself for practicing with me, Monica. Hope you have a beautiful day, and thank you for joining me.